Have you ever wondered how jeans are made in factories? Jeans are one of the most popular clothing items in the world. They are strong, stylish, and used every day. In this video, we will show you how cotton is turned into a finished pair of jeans. To make strong jeans, high-quality cotton is used. This cotton will later become the denim fabric used to produce jeans. Indigo dye is also prepared, which gives jeans their classic blue color. The cotton used for jeans is spun into yarn. These threads are very important because they form the base material of jeans. Strong yarn ensures that the final jeans are durable and long-lasting. The yarn for jeans is dyed using indigo. This is the stage where jeans get their iconic blue color. The deeper the dye, the richer the color of the jeans becomes. The dyed yarn is woven into denim fabric. This denim fabric is the main material used to make jeans. Strong weaving ensures that jeans can handle daily wear and tear. The denim fabric used for jeans is cut into different parts. Each piece represents a section of the jeans, such as legs, pockets, and waistband. Now the jeans start taking shape. Different parts of the jeans are stitched together. Pockets are attached, zippers are fixed, and waistbands are added. Strong stitching makes jeans durable and long-lasting. After stitching, the jeans go through washing. This process gives jeans a soft feel and a stylish faded look. Different washing techniques create different styles of jeans. The jeans are cleaned, and extra threads are removed. Brand labels are added to the jeans. The jeans are then ironed to give a neat and premium appearance. Each pair of jeans is carefully inspected. The stitching, size, and overall quality of the jeans are checked. Only perfect jeans are approved. Finally, the jeans are folded and packed. These finished jeans are now ready to be shipped worldwide. This is how jeans are made in factories every single day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy factory process videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.